Welcome back. This is the third video of the first class. I explained the office hours, the YouTube and office hours. And next, let me explain the details about assignments. I plan to have 12 online assignments, but there may be more. There may be the 13th assignment if time permits, if we need more, but I'm not so sure. At least there will be 12 for sure. And I plan to make each assignment have 10 questions. And all questions will be multiple choice questions. So you have to choose one answer from A, B, C, D, E and click the correct answer. And simply, every question has 1 point. Every question will be 1 point. And the advantage of using the online assignment system is that I have used it for the last 5 to 6 years, and it works very well. It is very convenient, especially for graders, for teachers. Also, it is good for you because you can check the grade instantly. So as soon as you submit your answers, you can see where you are wrong or where you got correct. So if you are not satisfied with your grade, like for example, you want at least 9 points, 9 out of 10 in each assignment, but by mistake, if you get like say 8 or 7, then you can try the assignment again. That's my policy. You can make mistake, that I understand, so I give you 10 chances. You can attempt up to 10 times. However, and your final grade will be the highest grade among these attempts. If you have tried 10 times, then the highest among the 10 grades will be yours. So there is nothing you lose when you retry the assignment. Of course, if you got already 10 points, then there is no point of doing it again. Even though there is nothing you lose, already your grade will be 10. You may retry the assignment just for your practice. But the point is, even if you are not doing well in the first trial, still you don't need to. You should not be. You don't need to be disappointed. You can try again anytime. So try it now, and if you did not do well, then you can study more, practice more, and try the assignment, like say, like a few days later. However, one trap there is when you retry the same assignment, the question may be randomized. Algebra questions will have different numbers. If you are super lucky, you will get exactly the same numbers, but that probability is super low. And other questions, short answer questions, may be randomized. So when you try the assignment, you have to study harder. You cannot copy the same answers and try different answers. And working with your friends is fine, but keep the social distance enough. And of course, your numbers and your friends' numbers may be different. If you are lucky, you may get the same numbers, but in general, they will be different. So cooperation is recommended, but you cannot. You have to submit your own answer. And there is no time limit within an attempt. There is no time limit, but I don't set any time limit. But the Blackboard system may be logged out, So that's the only problem if you take too long within an attempt. So that's I don't know how long it takes for the Blackboard to log it out. It's just so don't take too much time. And I cannot handle any technical problems, like if you have power outage, I have nothing to do. And if you have no internet, like I cannot help you. So so my policy is I already set the due dates. The first homework will be due by September 13th. And from there, every week you have one assignment due. So it's literally weekly assignment. And according to my plan, the last homework is due on the Sunday right after Thanksgiving. So you have to plan ahead. And if you're going to travel on Thanksgiving, so if you cannot do the homework during the Thanksgiving break, then you have to do the homework earlier. It is your responsibility. So you cannot ask me for any extension. So your parents' house do not have internet. That's unfortunate, but I cannot help you. It is your responsibility. You have to plan ahead, and I recommend you to do the homework right away. Like finish early. Do not delay the homework until the last minute, until the last day. In those cases, you may get into troubles. And all the homework are due on Sunday and by the end of the day, midnight. Uh, and I said, and this due date is a hard due date. I will not extend the due date. And the online system, Blackboard system, do not give you grade if your submission is, like say, 5 minutes late. Automatically, you are not graded. So it is not my choice. I don't have power to change that. So it is your responsibility. I just give you enough time so that you can, even if you have a little problem, then you may avoid problem if you have any trouble. But if you delay your homework until the last day, I cannot help you anything. That's what I tell you. It's important. Still, also from my past experience, a lot of students are doing the homework in the last minute. There are a lot of submissions like between 12 to 1 o'clock in the midnight. And of course, they are not graded. So, and they ask me what's going on. Of course, your submission is late. Then they say, I submitted 10 minutes before 12. But, and like there was some delay in the server or in the Blackboard. It's your responsibility, right? I cannot handle that. That's beyond my power. So please do the homework ahead. Okay, here the next topic is about course outline. So I said there are 12 homeworks and there are 12 chapters. These 12 chapters are the same materials that I taught in the classroom until last year. So the materials, content is exactly the same as what I taught in class. And so as you see, one assignment per chapter. Each chapter, at the end of the chapter, you can do the assignment. And it will take a week for each chapter. And I think that pace, a week per chapter, worked very well in classroom. Sometimes I have to hurry. Sometimes like time remains, but overall it worked well. So I'll try this. I don't know how it works online, but let's see. I believe it should be fine. And if time permits, I'm worried more about going too fast than going too slow. And if time permits, I may extend the linear regression chapter a little more. So this is the most important chapter among these. So that's my plan. Third, if time permits, there may be 13th chapter about linear regression and 13th assignment about linear regression. So that is my plan, and we are going through these chapters from Thursday. We will start probability chapter on Thursday. Grading. There is no midterm or final, so all your grades are based on 12 assignments. If there are 13, then I may allow you to drop one. So that's my plan. And 10 points in each assignment, so your total is 120 points. So it's simple, pretty simple, but you have to work every week. If you miss a homework, like in the first week, if you miss the first homework, then you have no catch-up opportunity. So there is, I already tied my hands. There will be no extra credit opportunity. I declare this. Even if you ask for extra credit opportunity, my answer is always no. And I'm not going to curve the grades. Because I don't know how it works. It's my first time using 100% based on assignments. So I will use no curve. We'll see how it works. So I'm worried about inflation. So too many A's is my concern, but we'll see. Okay, see you in the next video. It's about 12 minutes, so I'm going to stop this video here. Thank you for listening.